first look. New slot alert. This is MacGyver, max bets 250. Let's see what we can do with it. Alright, so get the camera right here. I've never played this before, first time playing it with you guys. It's a big cabinet. It's a huge cabinet. Got the screen here in front of me. So let's see what it does. See if we can trigger some bonuses or some features, or just make some plays. Bonus, diamond triggers diamond bonus with dual free spins. Okay, let's see if we can do that. Looks like that's on the middle reels only. Wild reels multiplier increase in credit prizes in the bonus. Well, let's see what we can do here. Not looking good. There's a minor, a major, and a grand as well on this one. Bomb bonus, that's the first I've seen that. So two bonuses, a bomb bonus and a bomb bonus and a diamond bonus. Come on, do something. Give the people a show. Alright, that pays something, $12.50. What we got here? $6.75. Not even a chance for a bonus yet. Here's a chance. Come on, do something. No. Thanks for trying. Man, I just cannot get comfortable with this big screen. Alright, let's see. How does that look? Alright, come on now. We're going to rapid spin a little bit and see if we can. That looks like a decent winner. Oh, 12.25. Oh man, I can already say I'm probably not a fan of this one. Probably not a fan of this one. Alright, here's what we're going to do. The other one's open. We're taking our talents to South Beach. Alright, different one, same game. Let's see if this one wants to play with us a little bit. Come on now. The people want to see what you're all about. Oh, or at least we got a chance already. No. Bonus. Another shot. Let's do it. Drop it. Diamond bonus. We got a feature. Alright guys, we got a feature. Alright, so we got quick one. Special one. Plus one multiplier. And double the screens. It's a lot of action to try to get one. Locking wild added. We're up to $11. We got another multiplier, so all wins times 3. Hot mess. Let's get another locking wild. Oh, another multiplier. 4 times nothing is nothing. As seen from above. Another locking wild. 2 games remaining. I know this is probably really impossible to see. A bunch of shit on that one as well. Boy, oh boy. Let's see what happens if we get another locking wild. No, $7.50. Okay. And we got one more spin. Let's go right back there. Alright, 5 times multiplier. Yeah. It's been not bad, I guess, right? Like $111 bonus. It's a feature at least. Let's give her a couple more spins and then find something better to waste money on. And this is just so hard to record. Alright, come on. Let's see that bomb bonus. That would be great. Alright, a couple rapid fires here. Uh-oh, it's doing something. Okay. I don't know what that was all about, but I paid $21. Apparently, if you get him there, okay, well, that's something different, I guess. You get Mr. MacGyver locked in on reel 1. Oh, that was another random. Okay, so the other one wasn't doing any of this stuff. Let's get a couple more rapid spins just because, I'm a dearly gambler. And let's see what we can do. Come on, drop that bonus. Play it down to $6.50. One more spin. Alright, we're getting off of this bad boy. So there you have it, first look. MacGyver. Alright guys. I just sat down on this machine with the MacGyver ticket. A little over $600 bucks, and we hand paid this bitch. So just wanted to catch you in. I should be live right now, but I just got back here in the afternoon. All right, count it up. All right, let's see what we finish up at. Barely over. Alright, over by $40. What a bummer. But we're gonna take that. We're gonna take that shit. Making plays is making major plays. I don't get that very often, by the way. There you have it. There you have it. Thanks for watching, guys.